how can you electronically sign a document, which is a PDF on the iPad? Let me show you exactly how it could work. And if it's your first time on Foxtecc, most definitely become part of the community, so that way you'll never miss anything important. So, of course, your PDF documents are likely going to be stored in the Mail app or in the files, so you have to locate it, right? So I'm going to go to the folders, the Files app, and locate the actual PDF. And when I click on it, you can see that it opens it up right away inside of an app which is called Preview. In the iPad OS 26 and iOS 26 on the iPhones, we have this new Preview app, and for this purpose, it actually works great. So I can just open it through this application, and at the top, I have a little pencil tool which can, get it there, and I can draw on my document. That is fine. You can technically sign it like this, but even a better option is to click on the button next to it, which is like this rectangle with a pencil on it. And when you click on this, essentially nothing really changes outside of this blue button in the bottom right corner, which I'm going to click on, and I can essentially add a new signature right here. So this opens up a dedicated signature menu. So you can see I have a couple of signatures stored because I have used them before. So if I want to reuse them, I just click on the signature, resize it and put it in the correct place. Or I can also manage it and click on the add or remove signature and come up with a new one, or perhaps delete the old one. So that is how you can manage your signatures. And of course, if you do it again for a next PDF document, you'll be able to reuse that same signature. So it saves you some time. It makes sure that your signature is consistent, and it's actually very simple to use. So I would really appreciate your feedback. Let me know if it worked for you. Subscribe for more, and I'll catch you in the next videos as well.